Morning. Today we are going to discuss structural organization of animals. Introduction. The variety in nature and habits of animals in the biosphere are quite amazing and interesting. What we see around us may be just few, but there are innumerable species living in this world. You have learned in lower classes about the classification of animal kingdom. We will recall here that kingdom Animalia is divided into two groups, invertebrate and chordates. There occur a great diversity in the habitat, structural organization, and mode of reproduction between the animals existing on earth. In this chapter, we will understand the structural morphology and anatomy of an invertebrate leech and vertebrate rabbits. The scientific name of the Indian cattle leech is Hirundinea granulosa, which belongs to the phylum Annelida. Annelids are metamerically segmented worms with well-developed organ system. The scientific name of the common rabbit is Archologus cuniculus. It is represent phylum Chordata and class Mammalia. Mammals occupy the highest group in the animal kingdom and show advancement over other group of animals. They are warm-blooded and possess covering of hair on the body. Mammary glands in female is the most striking feature of mammal. Let us now study about the morphology of leech and rabbit in details. See the Hirundinea granulosa, the external morphology class Hirundinea comprise of leeches, most specialized annelids, lacking parapodia and seta, but with suckers. It is around 300 species in temperate and tropical region, most fresh waters, some marine, few terrestrial habitats. Most ectoparasitic, living on blood of vertebrates, some predaceous, feeding on worms, snails, insect larvae. India has 4 species of Indian cattle leech: Hindridia viridis, Hindridia javanica, Hindridia manifacis, Hindridia granulosa. See the systematic position of phylum Annelida, class Hirundinidae, and order Natabolidae, and family Hindridaceae, genus Hindridia, and species Granulosa. The ecology of the species, see the picture of ecological of Hindridia granulosa. Some Indian cattle leech occur in India, Burma, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Occur in freshwater ponds, lakes, tanks, swamp, and low stream wherein either swim by vertical undulation of grip object by suckers, moving by looping. See the bloodsucker Sangovirus, feeding on blood of fish, frog, cattle, man who happen to enter water inhabited by the hermaphrodite, cross fertilization, egg deposited in cocoon, no larva. See the external morphology of the uh, leech, the shape and size: soft, vermiform, elongated, dorsiventral flattened body. The length approximately 10 to 15 centimeter long. Fully grown may measure 35 centimeter. Broad near posterior end and narrow at anterior end. Capable of causing great alteration is form and proportion, being ribbon shaped when extended, almost cylindrical when contracted. In normal stretched leech, dorsal surface remain convex with ventral surface is flat. A transverse section through body is almost oval in outline. Skin is moist, slimy due to abundant secretion of mucilage, help in cutaneous respiration. Coloration: brightly colored with characteristics marking. Dorsal surface olive green, ventral surface orange to yellow or orange red. On side or conspicuous strips of orange or yellow. In ventral side has broad black strips. Dorsal side has black spot arranged in a series on the second and fifth annulum of each segment. The segmentation: the total length 33 metameric segments of or summits. Expert the first two and last seven. Each segment is superficially subdivided into ring or annuli by closely set grooves or furrows. A typical segment possesses 5 annular segments with less than 5 annuli incomplete. A temporary clitellum is formed by 9th, 10th and 11th segment during breeding season. The receptors: surface of each annulus is divided by fine longitudinal furrow into rectangular areas, each bearing a minute and elevated sensory papillae. Annular receptor: 18th receptor on dorsal and ventral side of each annulus. There are also large sensory papillae. Segmented receptor or sensillae: 4 pairs on dorsal and 3 on ventral side in first annulus of each segment. A pair of eyes on dorsal surface by first annulus of each of 5 segment. Ocular segment: 5 pair of eyes occur in the semicircle of black dots at anterior end. The sucker: this is the main part of the blood sucking. Each end of the body bear the hollow muscular organ that's called as a sucker. The anterior sucker, cephalic sucker, comprise prostomium and 3 anterior body, sometime oval in outline with ventrally directed cup-like hollow, pre-oral chamber. At bottom lies mouth. Posterior sucker. Posterior end of body has a circular and highly muscular disc. Anal sucker direct downwards, formed by complete fusion of last 7 body segment 27 to 33 arranged in the concentric ring. Both sucker are primarily meant for adhesion and locomotion. Anterior sucker also help in feeding. External apertures. Mouth is the narrow triradiate aperture opening centrally in perioral chamber of anterior sucker. Anus is a small aperture opening mid-dorsal on 26th segment at the base of posterior sucker. Nephridia open to exterior by 17 pairs of nephridiophore, of which one pair lie ventrally on last segment formed 6 to 22. Male genital pore is a mid-ventral opening situated in a groove between second and third annuli of 10th somite. Sometime a thread-like penis is seen protruding through this aperture. Female genital pores lies mid-ventral in between second and third annuli of 11th somite. The body wall. See the anterior view and posterior view. The dorsal view or ventral view. 5 layers is occur: cuticle, epidermis, dermis, muscular layer, bodily tissues. The cuticle, this is the outermost covering layer, thin, delicate, transparent, colorless, moderately elastic, protective covering secreted by underlaying epidermis, slightly thicker on dorsal surface. This is the protective layer of the body, total body. The evaporation also black the outermost layer of the cuticle. Perforated all over by opening of epidermal glands, cast off from time to time in the form of thin transparent sherd, especially after a heavy meal and renewed. Also shed if leech is placed in dirty water. The epidermis consists of single layer of hammer-shaped cells. Cells are broad, flattened and pentagonal towards outer and narrow towards their inner end. Have interspace containing fibrous connectivity tissues, pigment cells, hemocolymic capillaries forming vascular and respiratory membrane. Some epidermal cells become modified to form unicellular glands and multicellular receptor organs. Dermis, that's called as the another third one layer, lie between the epidermis and muscles, consisting of the network of fibrous connective tissues. Contain connective tissue cells, pigment and flat cell, scattered muscles fiber, homeocolymic capillaries and basal portion of epidermal slime glands. The fourth one, the muscles. well developed, forms largest part of the body wall, either from continuous layer or separate bundles. The circular muscles from outermost thin layer laying beneath dermis next to oblique muscles. Beneath oblique muscles are many layers of longitudinal muscles forming a greatest part of musculature. A number of isolated muscles bundle run either diagonally through body or in straight line from the dorsal or ventral surface. A pair of dorsal ventral muscles run vertically in each segment by side of alimentary channel, while those lying near flank vertical muscles whose end spread out and terminate just beneath epidermis. Numerous radial muscles run from interior of body of the surface. A muscle fiber of leech is an elongated, fusiform and tubular cell consisting of an outer contractile correct or myoplasm enclosing an inter non-contractile medulla or sarcoplasm, which is composed of finely granular protoplasm containing an oval nucleus. Botryoidal tissues beneath the longitudinal muscles immediately surrounded the alimentary channel is found characteristics botryoidal tissues. This tissue fills the entire column except few species homeocolymic species. Composed of a network of large branching tubular cells arranged end to end. Wall of cells are loaded with a dark brown pigment with their intracellular containing a red fluid, homeocolymic fluid in life, excretory in function. Locomotion. See the locomotion of the leech. Locomotion, looping or craving and substratum, swimming in water. Looping or crawling performed with the help of muscles and suckers serving for attachment. First leech fixed its posterior sucker firmly onto substratum, aided by slimy secretion of sucker glands. This initiates contraction of longitudinal muscles, release posterior sucker from its hold and shorten the body. As posterior end is brought forward close to the anterior end, the body is raised up in middle forming a loop. Once more, posterior sucker is fixed, anterior sucker is released, and the whole process is repeated, often called as a leech-like locomotion. Swimming movements. Swimming very actively and gracefully in water. During swimming, body become dorsal, ventrally flattened and perform successive undulating movements. Undulating waves pass longitudinally our body. See the digestive system of leech, the jaws and pharynx, esophagus, crop chambers, crop diverticula, stomach, intestine, rectum and anus.